Today I'm making potato candy, also known as Depression era candy. So let's get started. And first you're going to need a potato, and I'm using a very small potato, and that will make a lot. I'm going to peel that, cut it into pieces, and then boil it until it's falling apart. After the potato cooks, I will drain it of any of the water, and then I'll put that in another bowl, and I'll add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and just a pinch of salt and mash those potatoes up. There are no certain measurements to use. Depends on the size of potato you use. And so just start adding 1 cup of powdered sugar to that at a time. And you'll see that the powdered sugar mixed with the potato soon turns to liquid, and then you'll know just to keep adding another cup of sugar. I ended up adding about 4.5 cups of powdered sugar. Like I said, it's going to depend on how big your potato was. And just keep mixing that until it becomes about the consistency of maybe bread dough, if you're kneading bread dough. And you'll see most of the stickiness will be gone, and you can pick that up and knead it with your hands. And then you can put that down on a surface that's also sprinkled with powdered sugar, and I'm just going to put that on the wax paper so that I can roll it up after I roll it out with a rolling pin. So sprinkle some powdered sugar on your parchment paper or wax paper, and then kind of mold your dough into a rectangular shape. Put that on there and then roll it out with the rolling pin, and just take your time and get it to the size you want. Mine's about 1/4 of an inch thick. After you get that rolled out, just go ahead and slather on the peanut butter just as much as you would like. And it doesn't matter if it spills over on the edges when you roll it up, because most likely you're going to cut the edges off anyway because they're a little inconsistent in size. And that's just a little treat for the chef. After you get that all rolled up, just re-roll it in the wax paper. If the one you spread it on is too messy, just get another sheet of wax paper, roll that up and put it on a tray. Stick that in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. After a couple of hours, take that out of the refrigerator, unroll it, and then slice it up in about 1/2 inch pieces. Put that on a platter and serve. Also, you can put that in the refrigerator. Make sure you put it in an airtight container. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.